Hey guys, in this video I'll be sharing three conditions of SMT. So how do we know it is a perfect SMT? So one in when the perfect during perfect SMT, one pair is going to take external range liquidity, another pair is going to take internal range liquidity. On the and on second leg, one pair is going to give you breaker entry, and on the second pair on second leg you are going to get a mitigation entry. Understanding external range liquidity, internal range liquidity, mitigation entry, and breaker entry. We have four different elements in the form of perfect SMT. So if we go in second case scenario, we will have one pair is going to take external range liquidity, another pair is going to take internal range liquidity. On the second leg, market is going to give you breaker entry. On the second leg, your market is going to give you breaker entry. On the second leg, market is going to give you mitigation entry. On the second leg, market is going to give you mitigation entry. Like, see, market is going to give you breaker entry, mitigation entry, mitigation entry. Then this is no trade. Why? Because over here, this is different, this is different, this is same, and this is same. We so what it, okay, so one pair is giving you breaker, one pair is going, another pair is also giving you breaker, one pair is giving you mitigation, another pair is also giving you mitigation. In this case scenario, we don't trade because we have external, we have internal, but we have both the breakers. We have three criterias, we need four different elements. We need external, internal, mitigation, breaker. Over here we have external, internal, breaker and breaker, external, internal, mitigation and mitigation. So there are three things, we need four things. So what's the third case scenario? Third case scenario is no SMT, where if one pair is taking external range liquidity, another pair is also taking external range liquidity, we don't look for SMTs. If one pair is taking internal range liquidity, another pair is taking internal range liquidity, we don't look for SMTs. If you keep this in mind, during third case scenario, we don't look for SMT trades. In second, during second case scenario, we be aware of not getting fooled and taking SMT trades. In the first case scenario is when you can go full margin and you can do this because this is the perfect case scenario. Thank you.